Like there's mathematical features and dimensions to a face that make you attractive. But by and largely, in a lot of ways, a lot of people would be attractive if they just had clear skin, they were in good shape, they had good hygiene, and they had good style. These are signals that go out to not only women, but men as well when they're choosing.
We're going to talk about the glass skin trend and how you can achieve it as a guy. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss any of my future videos. Let's get started. We're men, and it's hard to spend hours on just a skincare. So in this video, we will be just discussing 3 steps to get a clear and glass skin as a guy. Now, before we dive into the steps, let me quickly explain what glass skin is all about. Glass skin is a term that originated in the Korean beauty scene and refers to clear, healthy-looking skin that resembles a crystal-clear pane of glass. It's all about achieving a poreless, soft, and nourished complexion, free from pigmentation, inflammation, dryness, and blemishes. So let's get ready to transform your skin. Step 1. Gentle cleanser. The first step to achieving glass skin is starting off with a gentle cleanser. You want to ensure that your pores are thoroughly cleansed without stripping your skin of its natural moisture. Look for a sulfate-free facial cleanser or cleansing oil that leaves your skin feeling comfortable and not tight or dry. Double cleansing is highly recommended, especially if you wear sunscreen or makeup. Start with a rich cleansing oil or micellar water for your first cleanse, followed by a gentle foam wash or cream cleanser for the second cleanse. Next, it's time to use a moisturizing essence. Essences are lighter versions of serums and provide a boost of hydration to your skin. Look for essences that are lightweight and absorb quickly into the skin. Gently pat the essence onto your face and neck, allowing your skin to drink up all the nourishing goodness. This step will help keep your skin dewy and soft, giving you that glass-like glow. Step 3. Exfoliation. Exfoliation is a crucial step in achieving glass skin. It helps remove dead skin cells and reveals a brighter complexion. However, it's important not to overdo it. Choose a gentle exfoliant or a physical scrub that won't irritate your skin. Exfoliate once or twice a week to avoid any irritation and promote smoother, clearer skin. And that's it. Remember, consistency is key, so make sure to follow this skincare routine regularly to see the best results and also drink plenty of water. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And as always, if you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. Thanks for watching.